Hi, it's Krista and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a really quick unboxing try on of the November Boxy Charm. If you don't know what Boxy Charm is, it's a monthly subscription for now $25 a month for 4 to 5 full-size products. I'll have a link in the description where you can subscribe if you haven't already. And I don't know, that's it. Okay, so the first thing that I got in my box actually isn't a part of everyone's box. It was because I canceled my subscription last month because I wasn't feeling it. So then this month I got a free gift, which was the Tarte Clay, what's it called? Clay Play Face Palette. So the first thing is the Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping Palette. And looks like this. It has some three like face contour shades and then like some eyeshadows. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go in with this neutral brown called Ember, the eyeshadow. And I'm gonna put that all in my crease. I was actually hoping, one of the main reasons that I resubscribed is because they had the free gift. But the other, it was of like 2 different Tarte palettes. And the other one was the Park Avenue Princess like contouring palette, which I really wanted. But I got this one. Which I'm not as big of a fan of Tarte eyeshadows because all the ones, like all those little Rainforest of the Sea collections that we've gotten in Boxy Charm, I just don't like, I don't like them. Like the eyeshadows are okay, but the palettes themselves are just not cohesive. Like they don't make like a full look. You have to use other palettes. I'm using a Dominique Cosmetics brush that came in Boxy Charm like forever ago. Okay, I didn't mean to go so dark with this color because I'm actually going to go into another palette for the rest of my eyes. But let me just... I'm going to take a clean Luxie 205 and just blend out the edges. There's nothing on this brush. Okay, so I'm going to take this palette to bronze up my face. I'm going to go with this one over here, Terracotta. Really top off your excess because this is a pretty pigmented palette. This brush is a Crown P12. They came in Boxy Charm. I like Tarte bronzers. The reason I wanted the Park Avenue Princess palette is because I like the, what is it called? Yeah, Park Avenue Princess bronzer. I had a little like, little tiny like tester kind of one, like a little deluxe sample I guess. And I like that bronzer a lot. Okay, so now into like the stuff that actually came in the box. Oh man. Okay, I was gonna use this for bronzer, but I forgot. So the first thing is these Boxy Charm brushes. It's a set of 2 brushes, 2-piece brush set for, retails for $35, which is expensive for 2 brushes. I'm not gonna lie. They feel nice, but they're kind of shedding. You probably can't see, but they're shedding already. They have like hairs sticking out, and they're really soft, but I'm not really a fan. So I'm not even gonna waste my time. The next thing is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette. Retails for $35. I'm sure you guys have all seen this. Not to be confused with her Celestial Storm palette, I think it is. This was exclusively for BoxyCharm, but if you already have that palette, you probably wouldn't care to have this palette. Just saying. So I'm gonna tap into this warm, rusty storm dust is what it's called. Just a little bit because I already have a lot going on as it is. I'm gonna take that Luxie 205 and put it more in my crease to darken it up. I'm gonna pack it on my outer corner a little bit and then blend it into that other color. I'm not doing much with my eyeshadow today because I have somewhere to go and I don't want like crazy pink or blue eyeshadow, so I don't know how I feel about this palette. I don't care for the color scheme. I like the warm browns and the two shimmers, but I don't know about those other colors. Okay, so I'm gonna take this champagne shimmer color, Eternal Light, and put that all over my lid. Am I crazy or is nothing happening here? Okay, that's not what I would want it to be. There's just not enough pigment in that for my liking, so I guess I'm gonna mix it with the one next to it, Fireball. No, I'm not doing that. Oh, this is all matte palette. I don't like these shimmers, so I'm gonna get something else. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know. I like the mattes, the one matte that I used in the Celestial Thunder palette, but I don't like those shimmers. They're just not what I'm going for, not what I'm looking for today, I guess. And that one is like more of an eyeshadow topper. There's really nothing there, like no pigment. So I'm just gonna go into my Modern Renaissance palette and use Vermeer all over my lid. I'm gonna mix actually Primavera with it. Alright, so I just finished up my eyes. I use that same Tarte eyeshadow. What was it called? Ember. I use this Ember on my lower lash line and then just put on some mascara and some lashes. So, really quickly I'm going to line my lips with this Steve Laurent lip liner in Chic, which I got in a BoxyCharm like a couple months ago. Do you want in, Nipsey? Nipsey at the door sniffing. Okay. Alright, so in the box came Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick in Nude Mood is the shade that I got, which these are, okay, they retail for $18. It says it's an ultra comfortable matte finish. So I've never tried Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks before. I'm not a liquid lipstick fan, if I'm honest. I don't care for a matte lip. I like a glossy lip. It's much more mauve-y, pinky than I was expecting. Okay, so I don't mind the Dose of Colors. It's a little sticky. Not sure if it's completely dry, but I'm gonna put on the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in Fairy Floss just because I like a glossy lip anyways. Okay, so the last two things in the box that I got are skincare, so I'm not going to use those today. It's not like I'm going to be able to give a review until I use them a few times. So the first thing is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. This retails for $50 and I don't know, it looks good. I wonder how big it is. It's kind of small, it's a small bottle, but we'll see. I'll update you guys in a future video if I really like this. And then the other thing that I got is 2 face masks. These are the Tula Skincare Star Power Nourishing and Brightening Cosmic Hydrogel Mask. There is 2 of them. So this says, yeah, nourishing and brightening. Probiotics and superfoods. So I'm gonna try these out on a night that I don't have anything to do. Okay, so overall my thoughts on the box. First off, I got the Tarte face palette, the face and eye palette, which I really like, and the only reason I got this is because it was a free gift because I canceled last month, and whenever I resubscribed it came with it. So I'm happy about this. I like this a lot. The Dominique Cosmetics palette, I think I'll get a lot of use out of these 2 warm matte shades and maybe these 2 on the right occasion, but I don't know. I don't have a lot of use for pinks and blues, so it's just kind of like a like I'm not really, I don't know. I feel like Boxy has had many more palettes that are more cohesive and that perform better in my opinion. Happy about the skincare because I like getting skincare. And let's see, the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. Happy about that. I don't really care for liquid lipsticks that much, but I can put a gloss over top of it. And I'm glad it's a nude shade because a lot of BoxyCharm lipsticks and lip products are always berries and brights and just shades that I won't wear. Like, I don't know who wears this stuff, but not me. And then the set of 2 brushes. It is what it is. I mean, I can always use brushes, but I'm not really a fan of this style of brush. But I was gonna try it out for bronzer. I think it more would be better for powder, honestly, though. Why are you coming in here?
I'm looking for him.
You know he's in here.
Come on, lovely.
I think this brush would be better for like packing powder on the center of your face or something. I don't know, but I use a sponge for that, so I don't know. Like I said, I might give these to my niece or something. Alright guys, so this is the look that I created. I just threw on my little fall hat and I'm about to go to my niece's cheerleading competition, so I gotta hurry up. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. You guys like this hat? Has that been there the whole time that I was recording these intros? Because, girl. Comment down below if you like this hat, if you think I can rock this hat. I don't know.